Next is question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Means there is a triangle in which we can draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter such that segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by point of contact D. See here, this is the triangle ABC, and this is the circle inside this triangle. Then it is written that such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by point of contact BD and DC. See here, BD and DC into which BC is divided by point of contact D. See here, this is the circle and this becomes the tangent. This line becomes the tangent to this circle. Then BD and DC are divided by point of contact D are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. One side is 8 centimeter and other is 6 centimeter. Find sides AB and AC, and we are to find sides AB and AC. Now see, this is 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Now B is the external point to the circle to make the tangent BD and BE from B. It means that it is 8, then it is also 8. In the same way, this CD is 6 centimeter, then CF is also 6 centimeter. Now we don't know about this because here external point A is also making the tangents AE and AF. Because we don't know AC and AB, therefore we have considered that AE and AF are x and x centimeter. Because these will be equal, these are the tangents from the external point A. AE and AF are the tangents from external point A that we have taken as x centimeter. Now if we are to find the area of this triangle, then we can use two formulae. One is that by Hero's formula, in which we take the sides of the triangle, and the other one is that we find the area of this triangle. We find the area of this triangle OCB. We find that because this triangle is divided into three triangles. See, triangle OCB, triangle BOA, and triangle AOC. This triangle OCB plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC. These three triangles, if we find the area of these three triangles and then we add that area, then also we can find the area of triangle ABC. Then by firstly we find the area by Heron's formula that you did in 9th class. For that, first we find the semi perimeter, that is considered to be S. It is A plus B plus C by 2, means a sum of the sides divided by 2. Now sum of the sides means 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 6 divided by 2. Now on solving this we get 28 plus 2x divided by 2. Now 2 is common from here. 2 into 14 plus x by 2. 2 cancels and we get 14 plus x centimeter. That is the semi perimeter. Now we find the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula is that S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square root. We put the values. S we had found, S that was found to be 14 plus x. 14 plus x into S minus A, 14 plus x minus 14. Then S minus B is 14 plus x minus 8. 14 plus x minus x plus 6. On solving these terms we get, see here, 14 cancels and we get 14 plus x plus x, sorry, 14 plus x multiplied by x plus 6 into 8. On solving these we get this. Here we get 6 into 8. We can factorize 6 into 8 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we make the pairs from here and we get 4 outside. 4 into 14 plus x into x into 3 is left inside the square root. This is the area that is found by Heron's formula. Now we find the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OBA plus area of triangle COB, area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OBA plus area of triangle OCA. Now area of triangle OBC, area of triangle OBC. See, this is the height of the triangle. It is height. It is also the radius of the circle. Then it is 4 centimeter. This BC is given 8 plus 6, that is 14 centimeter. Then area of triangle OBC, half of base into height, half of 14 into 4. In this way we have half of x plus 8 into 4, half of x plus 6 into 4. Now we solve these equations. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. This cancels. We get 14 2s are 28 plus 2x plus 2, 8 2s are 16 plus 2x plus 6 2s are 12. Now we add the constant terms, that is 56 plus 4x. Now 4 we get common. 4 we get common from here. 56 plus 4x, 4 is common. Inside we get 14 plus x. It is equal to the area that we had found by Heron's formula. It is 4 into 14 plus x into 3 square root. Then 4 cancels. Here we get 14 plus x is equal to 14 plus x into 3x square root. Now we will scale the both sides. We scale the both sides to delete the square root. We are squaring both sides. We get 14 plus x whole square is equal to 14 plus x into 3x. This 14 plus x cancels and we get 14 plus x 1 on one side equal to 3x. Because it here is square and here the power is 1. Then we get, on cancellizing, we get 14 plus x is equal to 3x. 14 is equal to 3x minus x. 3x minus x is 2x. 14 upon 2 is equal to x. X is 7. Then AC is 6 plus x. See here, AC is 6 plus x and AB is 6 plus 8. We put the value here of 6 plus x. We put the value of x is 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 7 plus 8, 15 centimeter. This is the solution for this question. See, this is question number 12.